Today we are going to talk about Boolean algebra and logic gates. Boolean algebra is the math we use for logic circuits, which are essential in computers and digital systems. It is named after George Boole, who developed it in the 19th century. It uses binary values, true or false. It's the foundation for designing digital circuits. It's like regular algebra but with ones and zeros. In Boolean algebra, we use basic operations like AND, OR, and NOT. These operations are performed by logic gates in digital circuits. Logic gates are electronic components that perform basic logical functions with binary inputs to produce a binary output. Let's start with the AND gate. It outputs 1 only if both inputs are 1. For example, imagine two switches, A and B. The light will turn on only if both switches are on. That's an AND gate. Next, the OR gate outputs 1 if at least one input is 1. If either switch A or B is on, the light turns on. The NOT gate outputs the opposite of its input. If the input is 1, the output is 0, and vice versa. Think of it like a light switch. If the light is off, the NOT gate turns it on, and if it's on, it turns it off. Then, there are advanced gates like NAND, NOR, XOR, and XNOR. For example, a NAND gate is an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It outputs 0 only if both inputs are 1.
What's a practical use for these gates?
Logic gates are used in various applications, like creating secure systems. An AND gate can ensure a door unlocks only when both a card and a pin are correct. XOR gates are used in error detection and correction. To simplify complex logic circuits, we use Boolean expressions and techniques like Carnot maps to simplify them. This reduces the number of gates needed and makes the circuits more efficient. Boolean algebra helps make better digital circuits. It's essential for designing everything from simple circuits to complex computer processors. Understanding and using Boolean algebra allows us to create more efficient and reliable digital systems.
Got it. Thanks for explaining, teacher.
You're welcome. Boolean algebra is fundamental in digital electronics, so keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it.